All right, here's a bag dump of what I carry splitboarding on usually on a shorter tour. This is a Deuter Rise 34. Gone through a couple bags now, and this one seems to be the best fitted for what I normally do. And it's got enough space and its storage to accommodate everything. So let's get these out of the way. These are the Black Diamond Expedition 3s. Great durable poles that I use. Let's do the little side pocket here. You can see. Just keep little stash stuff. I've got my buff. I've got my little camp stove pan scraper that I use on the board, and bindings and connection points, clips. Getting snow and ice off of works really well. It's like $5 on Amazon. Thank you, Cody Townsend, for that tip. Chapstick, got some hydration powder. That's usually what's in there for the most part. And let's get into the Abby pocket here. Got a Mammut ride hoe shovel and a hoe. Black Diamond 280 probe. That's about it in that one. Let's go to the top pocket here. Radio, got a Midland T71. Clip on the shoulder strap. Got assortment of different things here. Got charging cables, got a battery bank, headlamp, and a spare battery for the radio. GoPro. Got some paracord that I made into a Roush block cord for doing pits. Let's see here. Garbage, you know. Let's see, got my beacon here. Black Diamond Recon. Obviously I don't carry this in my backpack. Couple ski straps, longer ones. Got a little gear tie there. That looks like about it in that one. And let's get into the innards. Keep my little snack pouch on the side zip. For quick access, just have some assortment of candies, you know, good stuff, granola bars, whatnot. All right, we'll start with this. I think this is just my repair kit. Got ladders, buckles, screws, bolts, everything in there. Spare trekking pole basket, just in case. Tool. Got a multi-tool as well. Some skin cutter, just in case. and a just kind of a roll of Gorilla Tape that I put in there as well. More ski straps, can't have too many of those. Lighter just in case. My skinny gloves, just some Costco head liner gloves. Let's see, got my med kit with the SAM splint on the outside, just a variety of different stuff in here, nothing too crazy. I'll keep this in there as well. I've got a hooded down jacket in this for my extra layer. Super warm, really lightweight. Obviously keep my gloves in here as well for the way down. Just some Dakine Gore-Tex gloves. And I've got my helmet. Some Smith goggles. And that's about it, I think. And that's usually what I'll take on a everyday tour. Nothing super long or anything like that. That's usually what I'll bring for a single day out. Obviously carry a Nalgene. Sometimes I'll carry a Camelback as well, depending on how I'm feeling that day. So yeah, that's more or less it.